Hello there guys and welcome to another video. We're going to discuss how do we multiply decimals. So the number we're going to first work with is 14 times 3 and which equals 42, but let's actually make sure that's correct. So let's go ahead and do this. 3 times 10, well that's 30. 3 times 4, that's going to be 12. And then now we got to just add these two and we get 42. Bada bing, bada boom. So we did that correct. But this video is about multiplying decimals, Mr. Morales. So those are whole numbers. That doesn't help us. Well, you see that actually does help you. Because multiplying decimals is the exact same thing as multiplying whole numbers. So let's have a problem here. 14 times 3/10. So all you want to do is to multiply them as whole numbers. So 14 and 3, which we know is 42. But after that, you want to make sure you count the number of digits to the right of the decimal. So for 14, there is 0 numbers to the right of the decimal. And 3/10, there is 1 decimal to the right of the decimal. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. That means in our final answer, we must have 1 decimal to the right of the decimal. So I'm going to write 42. And then all I'm going to do is 1 jump. And our answer is 4.2. Let's do another problem. So what about 14 times 300? Well, you want to do that same process again. You want to just count how many digits are to the right of the decimal. So 14, there is 0 digits to the right of the decimal. 3/10, there are 2 digits to the right of the decimal. 0 plus 2, well, that's going to equal 2. So once again, I'm going to write 42 because we know 14 times 3 is 42. And now we're going to bring our decimal over 2 times. 1, 2. So our answer here is 42 hundredths. Let's try one last one. What happens when we do 1.4 times 0.303? Well, once again, we're still going to treat them as whole numbers. So 14 times 3, well, we know it's 42. Now, to count the number of decimals. So 1.4 has 1 decimal to the right of the decimal. 0.03 has 2 numbers to the right of the decimal. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So now we need to bring our decimal 3 places to the left. So let's go ahead and write that. So 1, 2, 3. So our decimal goes right here. But you might be confused right now. Wait, Mr. Morales, what digit goes there? There's no number there, Mr. Morales. I am confused. So, really all you have to do is just think about it. The number 42 technically could be written with a million zeros to the right and a million zeros to the left. Because in the number 42, we have 0 hundreds, 0 thousands, 0 ten thousands, and so on. So technically, the number right there is a 0. So our answer here is 0.042 because once again, there are 3 digits to the right of the decimal. So I hope this video helped. And just really fully understand, whenever you see a decimal problem, all you're really going to do is treat them as whole numbers and count the number of the digits to the right of the decimal. That is all, guys. Hope to help.